Hey guys, how are you? It's Benji. Today I want to take you guys through a new feature in our application. It's called Deactivate Listing. Let me just take you right into it, okay? So the first thing you want to do is open up the application. You want to go to the hamburger, go to Sell, go to My Buy Now Make Offer. And then once you're in My Buy Now Make Offer, as you can see, there's this red tab down here that says Deactivate Listing. So a vehicle goes into Buy Now Make Offer when the listing did not reach the reserve. As you can see here, it did not meet the reserve. No one met the reserve. So it goes into Buy Now Make Offer for 4 days. Now, throughout those 4 days, let's say you decide to retail the vehicle, or perhaps you just don't want, something happens to the vehicle and you don't want to sell it through the application any longer, which could happen sometimes. Now, we've now given you the opportunity, or the option is, I should say, to be able to deactivate the listing and forfeit any offers on the table. And you can deactivate it, and it comes right off the application. Now, remember, if you deactivate the listing, if someone has placed an offer during the Buy Now Make Offer status, you will forfeit that number, and you would have to relist if possible in order to get a new number. Okay? So the way you want to do that is simply by clicking this deactivate button. And let's do that perhaps on this vehicle here. Let's deactivate this. Please note that once this listing has been deactivated, all offers will be voided. The listing will be moved to your expired listing tabs and can be relisted again. So let me show you how that works. Once you take it out of here, want to click yes. It has been deactivated successfully. Perfect. Now let's go back to the hamburger. Now let's go to expired. And as you can see, here it is. The vehicle is back there again. Okay. Now this vehicle has been relisted already multiple times, so unfortunately I can't show you how to relist it from this video. But if you check out our YouTube channel, there is a video on relisting a vehicle, and you can basically follow the same steps from there. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.